So before we put on a sales order, the boxes that need to be filled in are as follows. So it's the account code, obviously, and check the delivery address. Once you have that done, you save to go to page 2. So your PO number, so PO 1234, okay. Then we tab down to order credit type, so this must be filled in as well. For a sales order is always AAA. So you can type in AAA there or click the spyglass and pick AAA. And the last field needs to be filled in is the transport code. So if you click in it, you can type or click and pick. And it's the different vehicles that we use for our sales orders. So it could be A1, Collection, Diamond, DPD, DXROI, DXUK, GT Vehicle, IFS, TNT, XDP, Yodel, and Zoom Curry. So you can either select one of those, so DXROI, or you can freehand that in DXROI. And once you have that done, then you save. And that's all you need to have filled in as mandatory before you start keying.